two things. I'm happy that you have observed that the previous years there was unqualified opinions for the county of Kisii, but the same things they are now reoccurring. It's something of interest, but again, I want to commit to this committee that I'm working around the clock to make sure things are done as per the law is required. Chair, the KTRH we were talking about and we have suspended this business is where I went in and found that these people were correcting 47 million per quarter. As we are talking right now, this gentleman, when I removed the CEO was there. This new CEO is doing 200 million from 47. Therefore, again, even those assets, plants, everything which were there, I think, and I'm happy that there is new blood in the audit team. They'll help us to make sure things are done. I'm going, because that's why you have seen some departments which are not even related to these matters. They are here today to know that any time they'll come here, answer their own issues, as it were. Kila mtu anabeba mzigo yake. There is exactly all this team, water, they have come. And I'll make sure they appear so that at the end of the day, they carry their own cross around. Chair, in the same facility of KTRH, there are people away because of these things. At the time we're going to have the discussion, you'll realize there are so many people whom we could have not entertained, despite the fact they were getting all qualified opinion, unqualified opinion, but they had to go. It's only that the senator from Nairobi has left. I want to take possibly of what you've said. The new system of accruing system, is the best. We'll be reporting on daily basis, check what is happening, so that by the end of the day, when the auditors are coming, they have the clear report. My undertaking, Chair, is that we have a responsibility as a country and as leaders. That's true. It's up to us to, to come from our slumberland, help the country to move forward. There is no angel who will fall from heaven to fix the current situation. We must be angels of our own time. Therefore, Mr. Chair, I'm happy, Mheshimiwa Senator Ojenda, wishing you welcome, Mr. Senator Okech. Then we will meet 20.
Chair, cushion agenda. I might be the governor before you. Be careful. My gods work finally.
And for your information, when you are seated there, know that one day you will sit here. Yes. You will be grilled by those ones who will be there. Then, because I've been there for 10 years. Now I'm here. The same thing happens. Therefore, I want to thank you again for the opportunity appearing before this committee. Thank you.
Thank you, Governor. One for